There are two types of window replacements. There's a new construction and then there is a pocket replacement. So it depends on what type of window or replacement window we're installing. If we're doing a new construction, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut out the original window. We're going to remove everything with that window. We're going to remove the exterior trim all the way around the window. We're going to cut the nail fin and completely remove the whole unit. We're going to take out the interior trim around the window and all of the extension jambs. Then we're going to put the window back in and we're going to re-trim everything. A pocket replacement, there are so many different styles and types and brands of windows. Believe it or not, every type of window, every brand of window has particular parts that are removable on that window. It is up to a professional to get the perfect remodel fit, to be able to come in, look at the brand, look at the style, and realize what actual parts can be removed and where we're going to set that new window inside that original wood pocket frame. So for example, a lot of the exterior trim would not have to be removed, but the exterior stops would have to be removed. So in a double hung like this window here, the sashes are removable, the exterior stops would be removable. The jamb liners inside the windows that operate the windows actually fold out, and all we're left with is a frame with interior stops. At that point, we're going to replace, in a wood pocket replacement, we're going to push that window into the interior trim where it stops perfectly, and then we're going to replace the exterior stops, and then we're going to add trim to the outside of the window. Again, casement windows, all kinds of windows. Each brand and each particular kind of window has a certain piece or part that was manufactured to be able to come out and be replaced. Replacing windows as a homeowner, to be honest, the best way as far as replacement windows for a homeowner to try to tackle is to go back and do new construction. Retrofitting, because of so many varieties and types of windows and knowing exactly what comes out and what stays in, can be very difficult for the average homeowner. And what often happens and what you can see is the homeowner mismeasures that window, and either they pay all this money for this window and it won't fit, or it's way too loose in the opening, and then you have issues with air infiltration and water infiltration. Completely removing a window is not a timely process. For one, in new construction, every single new construction window has an aluminum or a plastic nailing fin, and it's tucked underneath the structural siding and all the trim around it. So professionals will go in there and they'll take a Sawzall and they'll actually cut the fin and then remove the fasteners on the inside of the window frame to remove the window, and it can be challenging.